Hello viewers and subscribers, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my herb garden. I have some lemon balm, some Thai basil, and I also have a dragon Thai chili pepper, which I had a little empty slot in my Rubbermaid container, and I decided to put the Thai chili pepper in here because I had some room. So, and plus the pH requirements for the herbs and the pepper plant was around the same range, so I said, why not? So I started the lemon balm August the 31st, and I had them under the LED lights, but I have them under the Hidden Harvest grow lights now, and they seem to be doing very well. And I'm going to have to take some of the lemon balm off, and I'll probably end up making some tea with them, the leaves. And then the Thai basil, it started off in my arrow garden, which basically I had to take the Thai basil out because I had a small arrow garden, and it was like outgrowing the arrow garden basically. But it's gone to seed, and I wanted to get some seeds from it so that I can grow some more. And I took a clipping off of the basil, the Thai basil, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't even look like the Thai basil. It looks like a regular basil plant to me, and I don't get it. But again, it smells so good, and I don't think anything's wrong with this basil. But I bought these clips. They're called grow clips. So instead of using the rock wool cubes, I'm using this grow clip. And basically what I did is I rooted the basil, and I put the grow clip on there, and then I'm able to put it inside my unit without a net cut. And so far, it's doing pretty well. It looks nice and healthy, but it doesn't look like the parent plant, and I don't get it. I really don't. But anyways, I'm gonna move on. So back here is my little Thai chili plant, and it's called a dragon Thai chili plant. And I got that plant from, actually, my doctor, when I went for my doctor's appointment, she brought me into her office, and because we have gardening as a common interest, she was showing me her Thai chili plant in her office, and she gave me a couple of chili peppers, and I just cut them open, took out the seeds, and so I decided to grow some Thai chili peppers. And one thing that I did, I made a mistake, and I went to go taste the pepper, and my lips were on fire. So this is the plant, and it's doing so well under the Hidden Harvest grow lights. Oh my goodness. But I'm having a ball growing my little herbs and the chili pepper back there. But I just wanted to share with you my indoor grow. And it's just fantastic to be able to grow herbs and your own food indoors. It is possible, and I suggest that if you never grew anything indoors, try to do it. I love gardening, and the season's over. We're into November. It's freezing outside, and it's a great joy to be able to grow things indoors, and it's an outlet for me as well. So viewers and subscribers, until the next video, blessings.